How to use Photoroom for profile picture. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make edits for profile picture in this application. First of all, open it. Now here on the top at the search bar, simply search for profile picture. So it will pop up different suggestion here. So simply tap on any one of these. So as you can see, there are different profiles. So here I'm selecting on one. Now it is getting imported in the editing platform. Now here you can directly replace your photo with this profile picture and you'll be able to make your profile picture even better. Here you can see different edits option like adjusting the photo and even having blur option. So at last, simply export the photo and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.